first time? Raise your hands. Good, welcome. How many have been here before? Wait a minute. How many are not here at all? Everybody is. Eh? I just realized why it's so quiet over there. Look, we have like a furniture convention, eh? Hello, tables, and everybody got dressed up like the invisible man today. Let me introduce myself. I am from another country. Anybody here from another country? Like me? Elsinore. Welcome to America, all the way from Elsinore. Good, good. No, and you probably heard the Mr. Announcer Brandon Scott. That's not my full name. My full name is Brandon Carlos. It's beautiful, right? You know it. East LA, I used to be a breakdancer there. You know, I used to do the breakdancing, you know, the locking, the waving, and the popping. But over there I have some good friends that took me to one of those fancy restaurants, Denny's. Have you ever eaten there? It's good, bro. You know, they took me there to celebrate that in 2 weeks of having been in America, I got myself a job. How do you like it, eh? You see, I was working for the Mexican telephone company, Taco Bell, you know? Good job, man, good job. But now it's Halloween, I love Halloween. When I was a little boy, though, I used to be scared. You know, I hated the boogie monster because I have like nightmares of giant boogers chasing me, you know. But I don't get that scared anymore, but I like to go shopping for Halloween. And I like to go shopping here in America, you know, because this is the land of happiness, right? Right, this is the land of opportunity, right? Right, and garage sales, right? There we go. But right now we're going to go shopping with me to the Twilight Zone.
Attention Kmart shoppers, attention. You're not going shopping with me to the Mexican Twilight Zone. Attention.
Everybody go. Good. Now in Spanish. All right, give me the power. Sí, señor. That's right, my friends. We have it here. We have it all. These are the new three-dimensional glasses. Hey, check it out. Put them on, you see everything coming at you. Okay, do me a favor. Right. A ver, pretty ladies, go. Whoa! They did it all together. That's why. Hey, no big problem. No big problem. By the way, speaking of problems, the other day I was supposed to go to my class with I wanted to demonstrate static electricity in my science class, you know, so I didn't do my homework. I showed up with a balloon. What happened to my balloon? Little tiny stupid balloon. Well, maybe it still works. Let's see if it still works. To create one of these pretty ladies, help me out, okay? I'm going to create a static electricity. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Higher. Let's see the static electricity. Touch this. She fell for it, all right. I like to buy all these different things, you know. Like this is the Star Wars gun, you know. The other day I was supposed to do an experiment in nuclear activity for my class. So the next day I showed up to my class wearing these. I told them this is what happened to me after doing the experiment, you know. They expelled me from school. These are nice to wear for Halloween, but it's a problem to wear them all day long because it's hard to like play the piano, it's hard to dial the phone, it's hard to pick your nose. It's a bummer. But my friends, I have to tell you right now that before nothing goes on anymore, I want you to say hello to my pet Doody. You met earlier on, you helped me out with the Doody, eh? Everybody say, hello Doody, hello. And I thank you for helping me later on. I meet you after the show, I give you a personalized tortilla, okay? And I tell you what, I'm going to make you disappear. Come here, Doody, we're going to disappear. Hey, don't worry, he's not the real one. I would never do that, no. This one's the real one. No big problem. By the way, I have to tell you, everybody very beautiful here. You have beautiful costumes, as I can see, you know. But according to this country's leading medical journal, the National Enquirer, everybody read all the time, it says there that 1 out of every 3 people that live in America is ugly. This is why I recommend my new beauty creamer. You may not know who you are, so do me a favor. Let's take a survey. Do me a favor. Look to the person sitting to the right. Go ahead, check them out. Now look to the person sitting to the left. Now if they look all right, you're the one, amigos. So come and recommend recommend to you the beauty creamer. And now it's time to do the hypnosis. You know what I'm talking about, the hypnosis, right? The hypnosis. Just in case you don't know what I'm talking about, it's very simple, you know. I demonstrate with my pet dog toy. Sleep. Wake up. No big deal. Yes, my friends, with the hypnosis you can do many different things. But let me hear this side over here. Let me hear you all. Let me hear you say, yay! Come on. We have the cheering crowd. All right. Where are you from? Okay, good. I remember that. Good. Elsinore. What's the name of your football team? The Tigers. Good name. The Tigers. They say, yeah. Let me hear this over here. Let me see you. You're very quiet, eh? You have to go yay like them. Let me hear this. Let me hear you say, yeah. Yeah. All together now, the count of three, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah, yeah, give me the power, all right. Jalapenos, to hypnotize the most difficult part of the human body, the tongue. Now, you can do this too, by the way. All you have to do is to take a deep breath. Everyone go. Feels good, huh? Then you go, Then how you do it? How do you say? You have to focus your attention and use your constipation. Okay, go like this. Go ahead, do it, but do it. My tongue is now completely free. I get the feeling some of you don't believe, eh? Okay. To prove to you, I feel nothing. Kiss me. It's okay, I feel nothing. Okay. Okay, wake up, it's no big problem. How you doing, eh? Very good. What is your name?
Teresa.
Teresa, that is correct. Thank you very much. And how are you, eh? You are going to be my guest, one of my guests of honors. You come over here with me. Let's give him a big round of applause. Come on, amigo. Come on over here. Come on over here. Sí, señores, and this guy from Oregon State, you're going to be my second guest. Come on. Big round of applause for my friends over here. Hey, very nice. Right over here, I have to tell you, during Halloween, we also celebrate the anniversary of the death of Houdini, the famous magician. Houdini, you know, he's the one who did it. That's why he's called Houdini. And for this reason, I have invited you here because he was able to walk through the walls, make elephants disappear, be tied up, thrown into a lake, and then escape. And I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tied anybody up?
Not.
Notice how he said, lately. Goody, chum boy. What about you?
No.
No big problem. This is why tonight we have a special surprise for both of them behind the curtain. All right. We're going to have the party time. Yeah, honey. Do me a favor. I want you to ask you to pull this very strong. Come over here. I want you to make sure that it's not going to fall apart. It's not going to. You have to grab it in order to examine it. Good idea. Okay, we're going to begin with you. What is your name? Lord. Okay, do me a favor. I want you to make a simple knot like this underneath my wrist. Okay, enjoy it. Cross crease it. Right to the middle. Hold on to that piece. Good. Hold on to this piece, okay? At the count of three, you pull as tight as you can. 1, 2, 3. Come on, tighter. I love it. Yes, all right. Good. This is my favorite part. Okay, just don't get carried away. Let go. Okay. Grab the two pieces, your turn. Okay, make another knot right there. Okay, cross crease it again and make a knot. That's more like a looping, okay? But it's your first time. No wonder, you don't even have to tie your shoes. You don't. Just not, you're wrapping it too many times, you never make a knot like that. But, okay, just very good. A little bit slow. Maybe he works for the post office, you know? While he's doing this, who has a watch with a second hand? You are a timekeeper, okay? What is your name? Kent, okay? You just stay there. Clark Kent, Superman is here. All right. You come this way. Okay. You are now going to tie me to this chair. You can tie any part of my, well, almost any part of my body, okay? Pass me the microphone. It's right here. I can't grab it. Put it right here. Start wrapping around my chest, okay? Bring it all the way around my chest. Very tight, okay? Very, very tight. Bring it all the way around. All the way around. Give it to him. Pull it tight. Pull it. Good. Around my neck, not so tight. Careful, the ropes look like hickeys, okay? Around my neck is near my throat. Ah, carajo. Okay, and now you're going to tie my uncle to the chair. Over here, like they did to Houdini. Tie it all the way around. Good. Good. And you give it to him, and he ties this uncle over here to the chair. Okay? Give it the rope to him so we have more for the... Okay! Careful! Oh, I am going to talk different now. Houdini, about a half a century ago, was tied up like this. He escaped in about 250 seconds. For you tonight, I stay here. No, I am going to try to break the record. In a few moments, I count 1, 2, 3, and my two friends, look at what they did to me. My two friends will lift the red curtain above their heads, and you start ticking the time, okay? Kent, every 5 seconds you lift, you drop your hand. When you see him drop the hand the first time, you say 5. It gets more difficult as we go along. When you see him drop the hand the second time, you say 10. You say 50. I'm going to give all the hard numbers to him, okay? Everybody count about. In the back, there is a mister with a whistle. When he blows the whistle, the whistle is because I have run out of the curtain of the time, okay? Houdini time. Then you drop the red curtain to the floor, okay, amigo? Please don't hit me on the head. Okay, here we go. 1. You good idea to grab it right here on the end over here above your head. You wait for the whistle. 2, 3. All right.